Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean your brushes of your device Leifheit PowerVac 2-in-1. First step, before we are going to clean, we have to disassemble the handheld of the hand part. So there it is. This is the handle part. This can using for our brush replacement or brush cleaning. And it is important to remove the handheld for this because now this brush holding system is out of energy. This is important for your safety. So now lay down it on a flat surface, and as you can see, there are the brush. This is the two brush compartment, and there is a little bit of dirt, a little bit of things around of the brushes, and there is a easy method to get them out. But now we have first to disassemble the brush. Okay, press the slide switch on the lower side of the floor cleaner head. This is the lock position and unlock position. And we get it to the unlock position and remove the fixing of the cleaning brush. Again, lift it up and removed. Godlike, easy as you can see. Do not drop this part because you need it later again to lock the brushes again. Now remove the cleaning brush and dispose of loose dirt. Long hair and fibers can be easily removed by cutting the fibers by running the cutting gook of a pair of scissors along the entire length of the brush. And this we are going to make in the next step. This is so easy and tricky to get the hair and the lines and the fibers to remove. Easy as you can see. You can also buy a brush separately, of course, but it's really easy to remove the dirt, and it's a cheaper way to get the brush clean again. All the dirt is now removed, and it's time to reassemble the brush again. Nice and easy work. So, replace the clean brushes and the fixing for the brushes and lock them with the slide switch. Take care, on the left side there is a hub part, and this hub part has to dock into the brush part, of course. Then the right side is to get it back in position easily. You can use a cloth for additional cleaning process, or you can use another brush to clean out there. There's so many options, but as you can see, with a scissor it was the easiest way to clean the brush. And now we have only one step left, and this is the lock part. Have a look, the locking device is on top, place it back in position and locks it back. Good job! As you can see, now the brushes are ready to use again. Now only one is left. We have to place a handheld back into the handle part, and of course the handle part we have to replace back into the power supply station. And There it is, our machine is back in action, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon, godlike.